Hey there, podcasters! If you've ever wondered how to make your podcast videos pop like the pros, then you're in for a treat. Lighting may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about podcasting, but trust me, it can make a world of difference. Whether you're recording in your basement or in a fancy studio, mastering a few lighting techniques can take your podcast videos from meh to wow. So grab your favorite beverage, kick back, and let's shed some light on how to make your podcast videos look seriously pro. Hey there, aspiring videographers and content creators. Whether you're shooting vlogs, interviews, product reviews, or anything in between, mastering some killer lighting techniques can make a world of difference. This video will cover some of the basics about lighting, equipment, and techniques for natural and artificial lighting. Grab your camera, get comfy, and let's shed some light on how to make your videos shine like a Hollywood blockbuster. With the support of our sponsor, Teleprompter.com, we're able to bring you this video today. With modern tools like the Teleprompter.com app, recording videos has never been simpler. With the aid of this groundbreaking new program, you're now able to prepare a script ahead of time and casually read your lines while maintaining eye contact with the camera and a conversational tone with your audience. Understanding the basics of lighting. So, imagine you're setting up some fancy lighting for a photo or video shoot. You've got this super cool thing called the 3-point lighting setup. First, there's the key light. This one's the star of the show. It's like the main character in a movie. It shines on your subject's face, sets the mood. Next up, you've got the fill light. This buddy's job is to soften the shadows created by the key light, making your subject look more natural and less like they're hiding in the dark. And then, we can't forget about the backlight. This sneaky light hides behind your subject and adds some depth by separating them from the background. Now, let's talk about color temperature. It's like choosing between warm and cool vibes for your lighting. Warm lighting is all cozy and orangey, like a sunset, while cool lighting is more bluish. Picking the right color temperature can totally change the mood of your shot. Warm lighting might make things feel comfy and inviting, while cool lighting can make stuff look fresh and crisp. So, it's like choosing the right flavor for your lighting, sweet and warm, or cool and refreshing. Types of lights and equipment. Common types of lighting equipment used in photography and videography include LED lights, softboxes, and natural light. LED lights are popular due to their energy efficiency, versatility, and adjustable color temperature. They are compact and easy to control, making them suitable for various shooting conditions. However, they can sometimes cast harsh shadows and may not provide the soft, flattering light desired for certain subjects. Softboxes are designed to diffuse light, creating a soft and even illumination that minimizes harsh shadows and reduces glare. They are particularly useful for portrait photography and product shots, offering a flattering, natural-looking light. However, softboxes can be bulky and require more setup time compared to LED lights. Natural light, while free and often beautiful, is highly dependent on environmental factors like time of day, weather, and location. It can be challenging to control and may not be consistent. This makes it essential to have supplemental lighting equipment on hand for professional work. Light stands and diffusers play a crucial role in controlling and shaping light. Light stands hold the lights or modifiers in place, allowing for precise positioning and reducing the risk of accidental movement. Diffusers, such as umbrellas or reflectors, help soften and spread the light, providing a more pleasing and even illumination. Properly utilized, these tools enhance the quality and control of the lighting setup, ensuring the best possible results for your photography or videography projects. Natural light and location lighting. To make the most of natural light when taking photos or shooting videos, You've got to be savvy about the sun. First things first, timing is crucial. The best times to harness that beautiful natural light are during the golden hours, which happen shortly after sunrise and before sunset. The sun is lower in the sky, giving you a soft, warm glow that's perfect for capturing stunning shots. When the sun is high in the sky, it can create harsh shadows, so avoid shooting in the middle of the day if you can. Now, let's talk about controlling and diffusing sunlight. If it's a bright sunny day, you might want to tone down those harsh rays. One simple trick is to use a sheer curtain or a white bedsheet to cover your window. This will soften the light and make it more flattering for your subjects. If you're outdoors, look for shaded areas like under trees or buildings to avoid direct sunlight. You can also use reflectors, like a white poster board, to bounce light back onto your subject and reduce those pesky shadows. So remember, go for the golden hours, and when that sun is high, diffuse it, bounce it, and get creative with your natural light photography. Artificial lighting techniques. Artificial lighting setups, like key, fill, and backlight, are essential tools in photography and videography to create the desired visual effects. The key light is your main light source, often placed at a 45-degree angle to the subject to provide the primary illumination and shape their features. The fill light, positioned opposite the key light, softens the shadows and reduces harsh contrasts. It's crucial for achieving a balanced look. The backlight, placed behind the subject, adds depth and separates them from the background. To create soft and diffused lighting, you can use modifiers like softboxes, umbrellas, and even white bed sheets. These tools scatter the light, making it less harsh. Remember to adjust the intensity and angle of your lights to get the perfect balance between highlights and shadows. Experimentation is key. Try different setups and adjust until you achieve the desired effect, whether it's a cozy, warm ambiance or a bright, crisp look. So, there you have it. Lighting might not seem like the most exciting part of creating podcast videos, but it can make a huge difference in how professional and polished your content looks. Whether you're shooting in a fancy studio or just from your living room, these lighting techniques can level up your game. From the warm and cozy vibes of soft lighting to the dramatic impact of bright lighting, you've got a toolbox of tricks to choose from. So go ahead, experiment, and find out what works best for your style and space. Remember, good lighting isn't just about making you look good. It's about making your content shine. So light it up and keep those podcasts looking pro. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to tune in to the next video in our lighting series for even more tips and tricks to make your podcast stand out. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We also discuss the most recent podcast tips and how you can use them to engage your audience. Please leave your ideas and questions in the comments area below. Thank you for tuning in.